So I would say I have to open the entire door panel to find this problem. Let's start. So well, I didn't expect this video to be this short, but I found the problem. The speaker is damaged and needs to be replaced. We can make a test. So for now it's better to put everything back together and wait until the new speaker arrives. But yeah,